Hello, everyone, and today is part 5 of my sketchbook tour, pocket sketchbook tour video. And mind the yellowish, lighting because it's currently raining where I'm at, and I had to turn the lights in my room. So the lights in my room are this weird, like yellowish tint color. It's kind of weird like that. So I hope you guys don't mind it that much, since so I'm just showing you guys the drawings I made. And I don't exactly have 30 drawings, but I am close to almost 30. I'm probably at 27 drawings at least. So I wanted to record what I've been drawing so far. So as you see here, this is where I left off with Figgy the squirrel and the alien character. I'm going to show you guys more drawings. Okay. Here is Luna the vampire bat again, because I like drawing her a lot. You know, from the werewolf comic that I did on DeviantArt. Maybe I should leave a link in the description for the werewolf comic if you guys want to see that. Maybe I will leave a description if you guys want to see the werewolf comic that I made on DeviantArt about this character. Well, it's not really about her, but she's one of the characters that are in it in Werewolf. Here is a bluefin tuna that I decided to color a lot. Bluefin tuna. It's other fish drawing. I like drawing, marine life. I did want to become a marine biologist, but I couldn't pass the classes that are meant for it. So here's a turtle with spikes on its back, spikes on his shell, like Bowser from Super Mario Bros. It kind of looks like Bowser a little bit, but it's kind of like bipedal, I think. Not bipedal, like four-limbed. It's on its legs. Yeah. Here's the monkey warrior character that I like to draw too. He doesn't have a staff with him right now, because I did do a how to draw video on this character, the monkey warrior character. Here's Figgy the squirrel again, because I like drawing Figgy the squirrel as well. Usually when I draw a character, I usually like drawing them like multiple times throughout my sketchbook. So when I ran out of ideas, I just draw the character in different positions and stuff, in different like poses. Not exactly positions, but poses. Yeah. Different poses. That's what I meant to say. I don't want the video to sound kind of weird though. Here's Jetman or Eagle Knight from the Eagle Knight comic. I did do a comic on Eagle Knight that I did in one of the videos here on YouTube. That's him right there. Here's some drone characters. Here's like a drone robot character, and this is an actual picture, actual drawing of actual drone. Those drones. Drones are so cool, dude. Compared to other RC vehicles and RC cars and RC helicopters, drones have to be the coolest. Especially when you can take pictures of the landscape around your house with the drones. You fly it up and stuff. I mean, the weird thing about it is that people be using drones to spy on people, which is kind of weird. Yeah, violating people's personal space. Yeah, I don't like that. But drones are cool. You gotta use them for the right purposes. Here's Dustin, the MMA fighter character that I drew as well. I have pretty animations of him too. Dustin training. Here's Belle, the bounty hunter from the Discovery comic. She's in part 4 of Discovery. She's in Discovery part 4, which I haven't really read yet here on YouTube. I am gonna be coming around to that as soon as I get done of Discovery part 3 as a read-through video. Yeah, that's Belle the Bounty Hunter. She character was inspired by Samus Aran. I think that's her name, Samus Aran? Or just Samus. Samus from Metroid. Yeah, that's the inspiration for this character. Because I've been playing a lot of Super Metroid on the SNES. So I decided to create a character based off of Samus. The bounty hunter and everything. Here's a rabbit character giving you guys a thumbs up. He does look similar to the jackalope, but he doesn't have any antlers like a jackalope, so he's not exactly jackalope. He's a normal rabbit character. Here's the shark dragon that I pretty much showed in the community post. Shark dragon, which is very cool. I will make a video about this earlier too. I also drew it in my iPad as well. So I'm going to show you guys like I think what's it called? The time-lapse video of his character as well. time-lapse drawing video that I'm also going to guys today. Here's a picture of a skull. Draw a skull like the Grim Reaper and stuff. Here's my jeez. This is my failed attempt at drawing a go-kart because I tried to draw a go-kart with somebody in it, but the go-kart was too short, so I had to erase some things. It still does look like a go-kart, doesn't it? I'm not sure. I just know I fail. It feels like I failed on just trying to draw go-kart stuff. Here's a drawing of me as well. The beard and mustache and everything. The glasses. I don't exactly wear shades, but I thought shades on my character was kind of cool. I do wear normal glasses though. Like this glasses case right here. I do wear glasses though. I don't wear exactly shades. I just put on shades because I thought it was cooler on my character. Here's a fairy dragon with the antlers and the wings. The fairy dragon. Kind of a dragon that's like evolved to look like a fairy. You know, trick and eat fairies and stuff. It's kind of small too. Here is a monster with 4 eyes. Kind of looks like a monster from Monsters Inc. Probably it's probably one of those aliens that used to be on Toonami as well. Those aliens that were on Toonami. I think it's Tom Bayer of Toonami. Here's a I guess you say this is a sword robot character, kind of like a Gundam. He's kind of similar to a Gundam, so I decided to draw a character of multiple shapes and decided to create a character like that. And because Gundam character is kind of similar to the Axe Knight character. And we actually do an animation of them fighting or something. That'd be kind of cool. Maybe when I get an animation program on my iPad mini 4. Here is Bree from Karate Bugs. And no, she's not naked. Jeez. Yeah, for more fake. No, moth character. Here's an elf sword knight character that was inspired by one of the characters from Unicorn Wars Eternal that I've been watching lately as well on Adult Swim. It's a very cool show, but it doesn't really scream like Adult Swim. It's most like it still feels like a Cartoon Network show in hindsight. At least for what I've seen. It's probably one of the characters in Unicorn Wars Eternal. Here's a lady character cosplaying as one of the... I guess you can say she's cosplaying as one of the tribeswoman, I guess. Or at least looking like Jasmine, the dragon lady. Here's the bat character that I drew instead. No, the bat character. Kind of looks like Luna, but, you know, actual animal. Or at least like Dracula or Jack. Because I drew Dracula more fake that way. Here's a Harvey lady with the haircut, the hair stuff like that. Harvey lady. You know, sexy Harvey lady. Here's one of the robot characters I like to draw a lot. That do animations on them. On robots. I don't exactly have a name for them yet. Maybe I should come up with a name of them soon. I did introduce them in Discovery 5, which I haven't read yet. Because I'm on the 5th comic when it comes to Discovery Discovery. I only read like 2 comics here on YouTube. Or at least 3 or... Yeah, I only like read 2, I think. Or at least 3, I think? I'm not sure. Here is CR4, or Chris for short, from Discovery as well. Robot character. Kind of looks like an android a little bit. Here's a bonefish that I decided to draw because I was bored and I couldn't come up with anything that day. Yeah, bonefish. And here is swords, a bunch of swords. There's a shield here. Kind of like inspired one of the swords by Richard Time because I remember when I watched Richard Time, he's finished to carry a different sword in each episode. I think he collects swords, I think. Yeah, he collects swords in every episode. So I decided to like draw different types of swords like they were in Adventure Time. Here's the Dragon Snake character that I got a lot of views on YouTube. At least 100 views on YouTube. The Dragon Snake. And that's it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you guys want to see more. And I haven't really designed that much characters, at least not for full 30. I did, and used by other characters that I drew and did Sketchbook Tour videos on. And it's my pocket sketchbook. I mean, it does get a little hard to like carry around because it bends like this. See, it stands up like this. I don't have my hands currently on it. Yeah, because the pages don't stay together, and I'm currently in the middle of the pages because it's hard to keep it up steady when I'm drawing it. So yeah, I only have a few pages left too, so I'm almost finished with the sketchbook as well. Maybe like, let's see, this is how much pages I have left. See, compared to other pages. I decided to draw on the back of the sketchbook because it's hard to keep the page balance when I'm drawing it. Yeah, because it's kind of like a very bulky sketchbook. It's a very bulky sketchbook. It's hard to keep the pages in together. Yeah, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. And that's it.